Hey everybody, I've got a really quick tip for you this week. This is about mixing vocals. One of the biggest hurdles that I and a lot of other people I know have to deal with is making sure that the vocals sit right in the mix. Not too loud so it doesn't sound like a karaoke song, and not too quiet so it's not getting buried. A trick for this is play back your song, and then whatever you're listening to that song on, turn the volume down almost until it's off. And maybe even turn it off and then just turn it right back up to where you can barely hear it. And at that level, what you should be hearing is just the vocal and the backbeat, like the snare drum if it's like a rock song or pop song. Not every song's going to have a backbeat, but it should be those should be the two primary things that you hear right before the volume goes completely off. So give it a shot on your next one, see if that helps.